Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about thermostat for Blodgett part #11529. The thermostat for Blodgett part #11529 is a replacement part. For Blodgett ovens, it is a mechanical thermostat that controls the temperature of the oven. The thermostat has a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is adjustable in increments of 5 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an adjustable differential setting that allows you to set the temperature at which the thermostat will turn on and off. The thermostat is made from durable materials and is designed to last for many years. It comes with mounting hardware and instructions for easy installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement thermostat for a Blodgett oven. It is designed to fix issues with the oven not reaching the desired temperature or not maintaining the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven before beginning installation. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the oven by unscrewing the mounting screws and disconnecting any wiring. 3. Install the new thermostat in place of the old one, making sure to connect all wiring correctly and securely. 4. Securely fasten the thermostat in place with mounting screws. 5. Turn on the power to the oven and test that the thermostat is working properly by setting it to a desired temperature and checking that it is reaching that temperature correctly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.